Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now let's break things down. So since the intro is very short, all we're going to do is walking onto the dance floor for the first 4 counts. Make sure you're not too far away from the dance floor because we only have 4 counts to walk on to the center of the dance floor. So let's go. We get 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now notice the leader should be on the left side, follower you're on the right side. And now on 5, 6, 7, 8, leader, you're gonna rotate or like turn your partner with your right hand, counterclockwise with your right hand, and then we'll get into a shadow position like this. So when leader you join the circle, make sure you first lead your partner towards you with your right hand and then draw a circle counterclockwise so that your partner is turning to her left, okay? And let's take a look at the footwork for the follower. Follower, your weight should be on your right foot to start, and then you're gonna do left, right, left. That's it. And now you should both be facing front or facing most of your audience in the front. And now right hands are connected slightly on top of your right shoulder. Left hands are connected out to the side. Okay, and this is the intro, and now we're ready to dance our pattern 1. And before we break things down, let's take a look. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's break things down.